Now we proceed to guide problem number 2. Okay, so what is the value of x in the equation 4x plus 2? So what's going to be the value of x in the equation 4x plus 2 makes equal to negative 14? Okay, first examine your equation. What are the operations? So that you would know what to apply or what inverses you need to apply. Okay, first thing, I got plus 2. So if that's plus 2, what is the opposite of plus? That's minus. Okay, so that means to say, I'm going to subtract in order for you to cancel the plus 2. So that's going to be minus 2 minus 2. There you are. And with that, you could cancel this one because 2 minus 2 is 0. So that will be left, the 4x will be left in here. So 4x is equal to, okay, what about negative 14 minus 2? So as you can see, this is negative and this is negative. When you combine two negatives, that means to say what? You're going to add them. If they are having the same signs, you're going to combine them. As you copy the sign negative, because they're both negative, so that's going to be negative. So 14 plus 2, so that's going to be 16. Okay, what's left now in our equation is 4x is equal to negative 16. So what do you mean by 4 and x? What's the operation between 4 and x? If a number and a letter are being put together, that means to say they have been multiplied. Because 4 times x is basically 4x. You just combine it. So if this is multiplication, so for you to find what's going to be the inverse of multiplication, that is division. So that means to say, whatever the number that we have in here, you just have to divide it on both sides of the equation. So if this is 4, then I have to divide this by 4. I have to divide this by 4. If this is 5, and then I have to divide it both by 5. Okay? So that can be cancelled out because 4 divided by 4 is going to be 1x or simply x. And that is my purpose, to find the value of x. What is negative divided by positive? That's going to be negative. And 16 divided by 4, that will give you what? 4. So the value of x right here is negative 4, and that's going to be